Hey everyone. So in April, we decided to see how Codex and Claude Code compare. We asked both of them to create a full stack chiptunes app. The idea was you could log in, you could create songs, and you could share them. At the time, Codex was using 04 Mini and Claude was using Sonnet 3. Codex was able to build this app. You can see it's pretty bare bones, but you can compose songs and you can even play them, and you can share them. Claude was able to build a good UI, but it wasn't able to make it fully full stack, so we couldn't really deploy them. Well, a lot has changed since then. We have GPT-5, we have Opus 4.1. So let's just go ahead and see, how do these models compare? Now, what kind of apps will they be able to build? We're going to go and ask them to build the same kind of chiptunes app and see how far they'll get. I'll open up a terminal and we'll get started. So first, we're going to create a next app. We'll just say yes to everything. And we'll create the same for Opus. Do the same. And then we'll go to GPT-5 chiptunes. We'll go to Opus chiptunes. Let's also open up, what we'll do is we'll, for instance, nowadays we have a little Claude MD and agents and rules file, so we'll add it on both. So here, we'll open up this, call this one agents.md, since it's GPT-5. Let's create a little instant rules.md file, copy that. And we'll do the same for Opus. Sorry, Claude.md. Here we are. Let's do instant rules.md. This. Perfect. So now they're basically at the same state. Now, Instant does have an MCP, but we're not going to use that because I think Codex doesn't fully support that yet. I guess all we really need to do now is write Codex here. Let's just do a quick status to make sure. So we're on the Pro plan. We're going to be using GPT-5. And similarly, let's open up Claude here. Let's see, is there a quick, I think, config? We can see we're using Opus right here. So I'm going to start it back up, and let's just go ahead and think about what we're going to ask it to make. So I wrote this two-line thing, but maybe we should be just a little bit better about this. So create a chiptunes app, log in with magic codes, make the theme really cool, let's say. Users should be able to compose songs. Users should be able to share songs. Users can only edit their own songs. That's kind of a permission thing. And maybe we make the theme cool at the end. And let's keep everything under 1,000 lines of code to really get them sweating a little bit, but also let's make it good for the video. So I don't know if we really need anything more than that. Let's ask Codex here, and I'm going to ask Claude here. All right. Got a coffee. an instant app. Normally the MCP would just do this, but GPT-5 chiptunes. Copy this. Let's open this. Let's look at. So I'll create a new .env file here. Public instant app ID. To this looks good to me. PM run dev. Let's see what happens. Localhost 3003. Element type is invalid. All right, I think it might have just made up this thing called db.provider. So let me tell Codex about it. And let me also tell Claude to keep going. Okay. Whoa, look at that. Let's come on in. Will the login work? It seems to be. Oh, this is cool. All right. What should we call this jam? My jam. Okay. Just do something like this. All right. I like this. Let's save it. Nice. Can we share it? Look at that. All right. Looks like Next has one issue here. Params and new provision should be a markup with react.use. All right. Maybe we should just tell GPT-5 about that. Maybe this is some new Next stuff. Open up this and make a new app for Claude. Opus chiptunes. Let's copy this. Let's make sure. Let's see what it does. Sounds good. Going to create a .env file here. Let's copy this. Triple check. Everything looks good. PM is running. Let's load. Nice. Okay. I set the code. Will it log in? Looks good. All right. It's a lot of things, but let's see. Let's create some cool tunes. All right. I think that's reasonable. Can I name this song? I can't name it. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna make this public. That's cool. My jam. Save it. Okay. There's two issues here. Let's see what it says. Not great. It was not indexed. Let me tell it that. And what else? This error comes with some. All right. Maybe just the same thing. The thing is, yeah, it's not clear how I can share my song. Looks great. Question: how can I actually get the share link for my song? It's not clear how to load a particular song. All right. Share, copy the link. I'm going to open it here. It will open, I think, my jam. But let me see if I open it in an incognito window. Let me ask it, I guess the one final thing I want to ask it is, it would be nice to load public songs. This is cool, but it looks like I still see, I have to be logged in to see a public song. It would be great to not, that was not the case. Look at that. Pretty cool. Beautiful. All right, well, thanks for watching. Try this out. I think both are very powerful models. It's interesting to me how, just from watching this, how GPT-5 seems to be kind of more exploratory in nature. They both seem to make some pretty cool apps. So, thanks for watching. Woohoo!